Everyone, Lucas here with FastCap. If you have a Bloom mini press, great machine, but you might know the biggest issue with it is a dusty mess when you are using it. So we came out with a Bloom vacuum connector a while ago, uses hose clamps and attaches to the depth stops on your machine, but we found that this doesn't actually fit every machine, and with the hose coming straight out the back, makes it really hard to push your machine up against the wall. So we are now introducing the Bloom VacConnect V2. It's a little bit more expensive because it's a lot more plastic, but this should fit all the Bloom machines, and instead of riding up and down with the machine, it attaches down on the bottom to your measuring track. So it has these two cool little T-nuts in it, so just set it in the track, rotate the Allen key on the top and lock it in, and then the piece that connects on the back can go out either the right or the left-hand side, and it'll allow you to push the machine flush up against the wall so you're not losing valuable floor space. So this is the Bloom VacConnect V2. Get yours today and quit having to clean up at the end of the day. Vacuum while you bloom.